Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your favorite entrepreneur and speaker, Chris Waller, and today I'm going to be talking about the advantages and disadvantages of Shopify dropshipping. So a lot of you guys want to start a Shopify dropshipping business, so you definitely need to know that there are some pros and there are some cons. I'm going to start off with the disadvantages. One of the disadvantages of stopping the Shopify dropshipping business is that the shipping times usually take a long time, and the reason why is because the easiest and fastest way to go ahead and get started with dropshipping today is to source your products from China, from different suppliers on sites like Aliexpress, and this way you can go ahead and just sign up for an account today, go ahead and upload your products to Shopify through or below. You can go ahead and start selling products literally today and get your ads ran today. So that's a big disadvantage because the shipping times are very long, but we definitely have a lot of different ways that I teach in my channel about how you can really avoid these long shipping times, and also different suppliers that also allow you to be able to get your products to your customers within a week, about 3 to 7 days on max. So a lot of people really want to go ahead and get Shopify started, and one of the disadvantages is that if you want to go ahead and start your Shopify business today, you're going to actually have to send traffic to your store, whether that's Instagram influencers, whether that's Google traffic, Facebook traffic, Snapchat, Bing, whatever it may be. You're going to have to get some paid traffic to your store, unless you already have a big following for your particular niche, or just you have some connections with some individuals with a big following, and they want to let you go ahead and promote for free. But other than that, you're going to have to know how to get people to your site and make them and get them to also trust you, so they can go ahead and purchase from your website. And the next disadvantage is that a lot of people think that it's just like eBay or Amazon, where you just go ahead and upload your products and there's not really too much design to it. With Shopify, it's your own e-commerce site. So what you're gonna have to do is actually customize it and actually personalize it to your niche or to your customer, and make it comfortable and a verified page where people can actually trust to go ahead and put their credit card information in and make the purchase. So you're gonna actually have to learn sales psychology. You're gonna have to learn how to design and get your own store set up, and really the best themes and the best descriptions to make your customers buy. So it's going to be a little bit more hard, and you're going to have to put a little bit more effort into actually getting that sale. And I don't really want to stay too much into the actual cons, because there's way more pros to Shopify dropshipping, but there are some cons because it is a business, and at the end of the day, you're going to have to put in some work. You're going to have to find out some specialized knowledge for this business, and if you don't get that specialized knowledge for this business, you're not going to see the results that you want. That's why I highly suggest getting around some individuals in whatever that you want to get started in. Get around some people who are doing that. That's what I'm actually doing right now at this Shopify event out here in Atlanta, Georgia. But you want to get around some people who are actually in the same mindset or the same field as you, so that way you can develop more skills, get special knowledge, and get different tactics and skills that's going to help your business succeed. It's very important, so that way you can actually get the new way of dropshipping and not the old way where people used to just run random ads and just get sales without any good descriptions, just using descriptions from AliExpress and getting sales. It's not going to happen like that anymore. So you definitely want to join my Facebook group down in the description box below, and also subscribe, so that way you can have a community of individuals that's always growing, always sharing tips, and always out here in the field working, meeting new people, and putting out this good content for you guys to learn from our experience, so that way we can all become better in the e-commerce community. Pros to dropshipping is the fact that you can start right now with no business license. You don't need any capital other than your marketing dollars. You're not going to have to hold any inventory. You can start off with no following at all. Start today, and all you need is just about maybe $150 really to get your ads running and get your website and hosting set up, and before you know it, you'll actually have a dropshipping business set up. And of course, as you grow, you'll go more in depth with spending more money into your business, and you're going to need more for advertising to really scale up those ads. But it's a really low barrier entry, so you definitely want to get started if you haven't already. There's no point on wasting any time. Just follow people like me that are giving information out here that's credible, that's going to help you guys get the results that you want. the next thing that's so wonderful about Shopify dropshipping is that you can actually go ahead and learn how to run traffic, which is very important nowadays, especially in today's business world of online entrepreneurship and people really focusing on marketing online with Facebook, Google, Bing, Snapchat, all these different type of platforms. So you want to make sure that you get into this business because it's really taught me so much about marketing. I've been using these skills to help other people learn how to do Google shopping ads, Google search ads, how to use Google AdWords, and I'm also learning different things with Facebook platform from different mentors that I've had, different friends I have in the space of e-commerce. They've been teaching me different skills, and I've been learning so much that's really been helping me on a different level, not in my business but also in other people's businesses. This marketing strategies work for offline and online businesses. That's why I love this business, because I've learned how social media, how the search engines, how all these different things are really changing in today's world and today's marketing. So you definitely want to go ahead and learn that new skill. It's very, very good today in today's age, and it's hot in today's marketplace. So another pro about Shopify dropshipping is that you're going to be able to start this business, and it really doesn't take that much of your time. Once you find a hot product, and usually I see that it takes about like almost 6 different products to test before you go ahead and find that winning product. But what happens when you find that winning product, a lot of the time that you spend working on the business really cuts down, because after you find that winning product, you just really scale that ad up every single day. Once you start to find that sweet product, and then you find that sweet platform to go ahead and market that product, you start to scale up your ads, and you'll actually be able to make a lot of profit on autopilot. And there's a lot of different platforms that you can use online, like Upwork, like Fiverr, all these different platforms out here that can really automate your business and make it seamless. So it's very, very important to definitely outsource a lot of the things in this business, because it will help you save a lot of time, because I've saved so much time with customer service, with website design, with email support, just so many different things, order fulfillment. I've outsourced a lot of that, and it's really made me be able to see that as I'm out here doing whatever I'm doing with family, with any type of work, education, whatever it may be, I can actually outsource the business and actually make income, pretty good income, really from just doing a couple clicks and managing a couple people on my iPhone. So it's super dope. I love this business. So if you guys haven't already, definitely join the Facebook group below. That's really enough. Honestly, Shopify is a wonderful business. I love how it's really changed my life, allowed me to meet so much cool people, and I've learned so many skills. And honestly, it's just really coming to a point where, like, I love helping other people also succeed in this business. So definitely add me on Facebook, join my Facebook group. Let's connect. Let me go ahead and hop into this Shopify event and meet some cool people. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.